Alright, this is a video on finding angles in relation to circles. The first one is a chord-chord angle. Find the measure of angle 1. First thing I need to do is look at the two intercepted arcs. And you might help you out if you draw both chords. And then you can see that you have an intercepted arc of 35. An intercepted arc of 55. So the measure of angle 1 is equal to basically the average of the two arcs. 35 plus 55 is 90 over 2, so angle 1 is 45. Next one we're going to look at is a secant-secant angle. Alright, secant-secant angle also has two intercepted arcs. If I want to find the measure of angle C, if I were to extend the sides, find out where they intersect the circle. Start at the vertex, I go out, and I notice my intercepted arcs are BD, which is 70, and AE, which is 150. The vertex is in the exterior, so the measure of angle C is going to be the difference and then half. Half the difference of the intercepted arcs. Half the difference of the intercepted arcs. These are not always going to work out even. Be prepared for fractional answers. Alright, third one is a secant-tangent. Secant-tangent angle is formed by the intersection of a secant and a tangent. So if I'm going to find the measure of angle B, let me highlight the tangent, and let me highlight the secant. This is going to create two intercepted arcs, one of 88 degrees, and the other is given as 184. Now, I don't want to call it a trick question, but be prepared to not be given the 88, but let's say you're given this orange arc. And then you have to find the 88. Measure of angle B is half the difference of the intercepted arcs. 96 over 2 is 48. Next one is a tangent-tangent angle. Tangent-tangent angle should look a lot like the two-tangent theorem because it's an angle formed by the intersection of two tangents. And if I want to find the measure of A, I need to find its minor arc, the arc that it's closest to the circle, to the angle. So if the entire circle has a circumference of 360 degrees, then that arc is 80. I could follow the same process. I could say that the measure of angle A is going to be half the difference of the arcs, or you could recall that a tangent-tangent angle is supplementary to its minor arc. So I could just simply say angle A is 100 degrees. And then also let's look at an inscribed quadrilateral, which is often called a cyclic quadrilateral. And let's remember that the opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary.